In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the notification sound for WhatsApp on your iPhone. Changing the notification sound can help you easily distinguish WhatsApp messages from other notifications on your phone. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Notifications. Now you have the ability to change WhatsApp notification settings. First, to change the message notification sound, tap here. And then tap and select a sound you like. It will play you a little preview so you can hear what it's going to sound like. Once you've selected that, tap Save at the top right to save changes. To change the group chat message notification, tap here and select a sound you like. Then tap Save to save changes and complete the process. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.